and happy St. Patrick's Day. We are leaving St. George, like Zion, Hurricane area, Utah, and we are going to Bryce Canyon with our friends Sam and Brendan from Life Among Pines. And we're a little bit nervous about it because it's going to be really cold. Like the low tonight is 11 degrees and the high for today is 30 degrees. So yeah, but Bryce is supposed to be really, really, really beautiful when there's a little bit of snow on it. So that is why we're going there to see that. So we'll see how this goes. It should be very interesting, but it should be a lot of fun too. Stay tuned.
Made it to our spot. We are outside of Bryce Canyon. There's snow on the ground. It's cold. It's going to get colder and it's going to snow. Why are we here? I don't know. I hear Bryce Canyon is pretty in the snow. So.
It's an adventure.
So we got here knowing that we were going to have to run our furnace a lot, and we went to turn the generator on. Okay, let me back up. For the last few days, the generator has been giving us some issues. It would kind of sputter, I guess. When you would first start it, it would start running like put, 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 and it would do that for a little bit, and then after a couple minutes, it would smooth out and sound nice and how it normally sounds. And so we figured it was probably time to change the oil because that happened before, and changing the oil fixed it. And so we changed the oil, but after I changed the oil, I couldn't get it to start, and we were really worried because we changed the oil first thing when we got to the spot. And we knew we were going to need the generator, and our batteries were low, so it's like we either had to head to an RV park or try and fix it. And we ended up fixing it, but I think the issue was the carburetor, the air intake for the carburetor. I checked the air filter of the generator. And I think when I did that there's a flap that lets air in and out of the carburetor. And I don't remember if I touched that or not, but I must have. And it was like stuck. So the generator wasn't getting any air. And so we were trying all sorts of different things, and I was getting ready to take the carburetor apart to see if it was getting fuel. And I just happened to touch that flap to look into the carburetor to see if there was any buildup in there. And then after I did that, it started right up. So. Okay.
The more you know. We got our REI dividend a couple weeks ago, and of course we already spent it on a ton of cams to climb with. So there's this little area of rocks, and Garrett wants to show me how the cams go in the cracks. So that's what we're doing.
So super excited. I've been wanting to get some of these for a while, but it's a cam, and so basically you pull these triggers and these lobes get smaller, and then you slide it into the crack, let go, and it expands, and anytime there's force pulled on the stem out that way, it actually forces the lobes outwards. And apparently that's supposed to hold you when you fall. I'm honestly skeptical, but let's try it out. Whoa. That's insane. And it comes right out. That's pretty crazy. Like, you cannot get that out.
was a little bit chilly last night. We brought the slide in just to reduce the cubic feet or whatever of the RV for the furnace, and I think it helped quite a bit. But I think it snowed a ton. And Oakley is gonna be so excited. Oh my, look at all that snow. Wait. Oakley, come here. Go potty. We are hanging out in Bryce Canyon today, and it's going to be really fun because it's super snowy and pretty, and hopefully none of us wipe out on the ice. We'll see.
Alright, so we are hiking the Rim Trail, then to the Navajo Loop. Makes about a 3-mile loop. It's like 600 feet elevation change or something. It's a lot of snow blowing, and it's kind of cloudy. But I think it's going to be pretty fun. If we're lucky, maybe the sun will come out. There's some deer right behind me. They're bedding down in this, I don't know what it is, but like a low kind of leafy brush type of thing. It's really cute. The sun is shining now, and it is so pretty. I feel like this is the time to be in Bryce, is when there's snow on the ground.
How sad was that right now? Shoot. Come on.
How about this ceiling? So close. Let's climb this. Is that roof though?
same. Okay, again. Keep walking.
Oh, I missed.
All right. That's the end of this. National Park rules.
Is that a rule?
It is a rule. I got him.
Yeah, but she had to hold me down to make it happen. Don't throw another one.
We should build a snowman.
Snowpack so
It's nature's ice cream. Perfection.
Jeez. God. Yeah, it was. This park is very unique, very pretty. It's really awesome. It was a little nasty when we started, but now it's shaping up to be a pretty nice day. We didn't get to see this view at all when we first got here because it was just snowing and cloudy and foggy. It's really pretty.
What? We are back up at the top. The view is much better now that the flurries and clouds have cleared a little bit. We just realized that we're probably view snobs when you travel so much and you see epic things all the time. When the conditions aren't just right, you get a little snobby about it. So we need to check ourselves on that. But really awesome view. We are back at the RVs now to get some lunch. We'll probably go back into the park for sunset. But other than that, that is gonna wrap up our day. We're having some issues with our generator. So to be continued with that. We're not exactly sure what the problem is, but it's not starting very well. Garrett has to mess with the, I don't know, with something. I don't know. It's not gonna be cool though. Yeah, I don't know. Doesn't sound good. It's not running well. We changed the oil, and so we know it doesn't have anything to do with that. There's oil going through it. Everything's good. Fuel's getting to it. That's good. We think it might be a carburetor problem or a starter problem or something. I don't know. We'll see. So we'll keep you guys posted on that. But until next time, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for living life with us today. Don't forget that subscribe button. Hit that down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And we'll see you guys soon.